Okay, for those of you who have never seen vanilla, this is a vanilla vine right here. And it has flowered. There's a flower stalk. But I don't think we have the bug here that pollinates it. It'd be interesting to see, at least see a flower once in a while. Yeah, here's another flower stalk, or a dead one. Quite a bit is growing along this trail. Okay, it's about 12 noon. We left the secret site maybe at 10:30. We've been doing some clearing constantly since then. Caught a lot of coffee. But we have a nice trail now, at least up to this point. Of course, you don't have any idea where this point is because it's a secret.
Where the hell they were? They were driving up there from Dillingham or wherever they come up from. And I waved to them, and they were going on the road. I just got the road, so hey, you guys are definitely outside. I just wanted to head out. And I started going, and the road was kind of mushy, and all of a sudden, look down the middle of the road. Here's a slope of whole grain or whole wheat buns laying right dead center in the road, right through the mud. I'm going, if these guys would have driven through here, they would have smushed them. There would have been mud all over. And I was looking at the back part of the one sheet, they had all kinds of stuff in there. I know what happened. It fell out, the loaf, the buns fell out and fell on the road. So I picked them up, and we were pretty needed that I picked them up and started eating them.
Okay, we're back at that big boulder we saw on Wednesday. This is a giant. I remember to move my head slowly. I don't want you guys getting seasick and thrown up in the house. Here's the little cave. And the creatures.
Yeah, look at it.
Full of kukui nuts. Not sure what was living in there.
Probably a bobcat.
Probably rats. All the kukui nuts are chewed open.
I was going to say that or mongoose.
This is one hell of a rock. Okay, we took another break, half hour. We were all tired from clearing, and we just decided we're gonna cut back and take an easy route out. This is a beautiful section here. We didn't have to do any work on this section. You see all these paper bark trees, probably 70, 80, 100 years old, at least the bigger ones. We probably did some seeding, some of the smaller ones. You can see the pig came right down here. This is probably the biggest eucalyptus tree in Waianae Valley. Look at Gene trying to reach around it. Gene's a tree hugger.
Right. Got to take at least 5 guys, maybe 4, 5 teams. Are you there yet? No,
almost.
You got one more thing to go. Right through here. Yeah, you're. So how many? About 20 feet in circumference. 18 to 20 feet in circumference. That's not big much tree. That's about 14 to 16 feet down there. This one is closer to 20. That's a monster. That is by far the biggest one. That has to be original.
This is one big sucking tree.
And they pruned it. Looks like they must have pruned it, maybe way back in the 80s and all the states. Look how it branched off.
That other one did. That's just huge. Man.
How about that? Nothing big, but it is beautiful. Okay, here we are. Let's see, we have 3.91 miles in 6.5 hours. We cut 1 million coffee plants today. But we completed the connecting, of the connectors left and right. We still have to stretch the connector, the right connector out till we get to secret site number 2. And then we have to work on the lower section. There's my old trusty truck.